Sinto's fully automatic mold handling system provides solutions for the highest casting quality and increased productivity. These systems are custom engineered to accommodate any mold size and any number of pouring positions, and many other features including optional automatic pouring, adjustable cooling positions and options, various shakeout configurations, and any other custom layout needs. To best match each customer's needs, there are many options available, including a jacket and weight cleaner, multiple mold push-offs, side skirts, graphite liners, custom weights and jackets, mold elevator, and horizontal, angular, rotational, and inclined in-transfer configurations. Installation is made easy with simple plug-and-play device blocks and cable connections. Each feature of the mold handling system goes above and beyond to upgrade and improve casting quality and productivity, including customized mold car configurations that are available in a single, double, or 4 molds per car. Proprietary crackback that helps stabilize and minimize car wear while transferring between pouring and cooling lines. Proportional hydraulic valves used to ensure smooth transfer in order to eliminate mold shifts and metal splashing. Easy integration with new or existing molding machines and/or systems from many different manufacturers. Color maintenance diagnosis screens interlock to the mold machine for easy troubleshooting. Easily integrated with Sinto's Industry 4.0 analytics for total process visibility. Auxiliary mold cooling belt lines. Quality components and accessible design provides for easy future maintenance and long-term reliability. With over 50 handling lines supplied in the USA and hundreds globally, they are designed and built to last, with the oldest line being in 1994 and still in operation. Our promise with the mold handling system is increased quality and productivity, lower operating costs, higher OEE, and ultimately a satisfied customer. Our proven designs are created by skilled mechanical and controls engineering teams at Sinto. For more information, visit www.sintoamerica.com.